Do you know what this sound is called? It's called snow crunch. For example, I love hearing the snow crunch under my boots. Next one. Do you know what this is? It's called icicle. For example, the icicles dripped as the sun came out. Next one. What do you call this activity? It's called shoveling snow. For example, after the heavy snowfall last night, I spent the entire morning shoveling snow off the driveway. Next one. What just happened? What did I do on the icy sidewalk? The word for losing your balance like this is slip. For example, I slipped on the icy sidewalk.
My hands froze because I forgot my gloves.
What is happening to the ice? How can you describe what's going on? What happens to snow or ice when it gets warm? The right verb would be melt. For example, the snow melted when the sun came out. Next one.
If it's really cold outside and it's really windy and you're cold, you can say the wind chilled me to the bone. If you're cold to the point that you start shaking, you can say I shivered in the cold wind.
Now, what do you call this machine? It's called snowplow. For example, the snowplow cleared the streets. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.